Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 250G8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with your HP 250G8 not holding a charge and constantly displaying 0% even when plugged in, you're not alone. This problem often arises due to battery degradation over time, which can lead to further complications if not addressed promptly, including potential damage to your device's internal components. Fortunately, we can help you fix this issue effectively. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new compatible battery for your HP 250G8. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the back cover. Keep the screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel, taking care not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back cover removed, locate the battery. It should be easily identifiable as a large rectangular component. To remove the faulty battery, disconnect the cables carefully by gently pulling on the connectors. You may need to use the screwdriver to remove any screws securing the battery in place. When the battery is free, take your new battery and position it in the same spot. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, and reconnect the cables firmly but gently. Before replacing the back cover, ensure everything is securely connected and that there are no loose parts inside the laptop. Now, carefully align the back panel and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back cover, making sure not to over-tighten them, as this could strip the threads. Once everything is back in place, turn your HP 250G8 back on and plug it in to see if the battery now holds a charge. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again in the future, try to avoid leaving your laptop plugged in continuously while fully charged, and aim to keep the battery between 20% and 80% charge for optimal lifespan. Regularly updating your device and checking for software issues can also help maintain battery health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.